Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites: charged units, updated Cardo Connect app, and Bluetooth on your phone. First, power on each Cardo by holding the button until the LED blinks. Next, pair one device to the app using Bluetooth and follow on-screen prompts to name it. Once done, repeat pairing for other units into the same app account. Make sure to enable mesh mode in the main device settings. This establishes the control node, so other units can join the mesh network. With the master node active, enable mesh from its communication settings. This device will coordinate the network. On each secondary unit, select Join Mesh in Settings and confirm the incoming pairing prompt. The app should show a joining progress. Once connected, the mesh automatically negotiates channels and roles so voice and intercom routes correctly. Make sure range is within recommended limits while forming the group. Moving too far can cause failed joins. Finally, confirm each rider appears in the app roster. Finish by testing intercom and group voice. Have everyone speak briefly to verify levels and routing. If you hear dropouts or odd behavior, check firmware versions and update through Cardo Connect, then reboot all units to apply changes. If a single unit misbehaves, perform a factory reset on that unit and then rejoin it to the master mesh. This clears corrupted settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if joins repeatedly fail, move all devices within a few meters and retry. Mesh formation is sensitive to distance and temporary RF interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.